Hi everyone, Dr. Gillespie here to walk you through week 6 of EDU 200. So to get started, I'm going to flip over into Blackboard and show you how to walk through and how to navigate through what is due for this week and what our focuses will be on. So in Blackboard on the announcement page, like always, we're going to come over here to week 6 and click on week 6. And like I said in the last video, the focus for week 6 is going to be on the 3 domains of development of middle childhood. So to get started, all you have to do is click on the folder and click on the week 6 directions and guidelines. So for week 6, you have a couple of things that you have to do. So like I said, it's about the 3 domains of development of middle childhood. So what to do for this week, you're going to view the overview for week 6, which is the video you are watching now. You're going to do the virtual field experience early childhood discussion board, where you are to respond to all of your peers in the discussion board. So remember that when you respond to peers in the discussion board, that you have reaffirming and affirming feedback, comments, maybe adding a theorist that they didn't think about, but make sure that if they ask you a question or there's a comment that needs a response, that you're responding to keep the dialogue going and the discussion going. For this week, like I said, we're going to focus on middle childhood, so you're going to be reading chapters 8, 9, and 10 on middle childhood physical, cognitive, and social emotional. So make sure that you read the chapters, you review the PowerPoints, and you take the chapter quizzes. After you get done with reading the chapters, going over the PowerPoints, and taking the quizzes, go into your virtual field experience for middle childhood. Just like it has been, make sure you review the guidelines and the rubrics. View and download the Cliff Note sheet if you have not done so already. Review the example if you need to, which will be there shortly after I get done recording these videos. And then complete and submit the virtual field experience to the assignment folder, and then pick one of the videos that you feel the most strong about that you can copy and paste over into the discussion board for your peers to respond to. Now, for this week, you have one additional thing that you need to do for me. Since this is week 6 and we are over in week 9, it is time for us to start talking about our developmentally appropriate practices for future careers, projects that are coming up. So what I need you to do is I'm going to send an email out this week, and I need you to sign up for a time to meet with me virtually via Google Hangouts. And the program we're going to be using for sign up is Sign Up Genius. And we're going to have a week and a half, I believe, of sign up dates from the morning until the afternoon for you to sign up to talk to me. If you would like more than one meeting time, by all means sign up for more than one. There are plenty of spots for everybody to have more than one time if they would like. But I need to talk to all of you individually about your developmentally appropriate practices, since all of you are in different future career settings. Some of you are elementary majors, some of you are dance majors, some of you are psychology majors. So I need to talk to you about your future careers in different ways so that you can be the most successful with this end of course project that we're going to be doing. So make sure that you sign up via Sign Up Genius. It's going to come through your email so that you will have a meeting time to meet with me in Google Hangout. Now, down at the bottom here are the assignments that are due for this week. Just a reminder so you can kind of check off to make sure you have everything done. Respond to all your peers' virtual field experience for early childhood. This is where you're doing the feedback and asking questions and affirming and reaffirming things as you see in your peers. Remember, that's where you posted just one. So just respond to each other. And then chapter 8, 9, and 10 quiz. Your virtual field experience, you have 3 videos for this week. So 3 videos with your 5 questions, 15 questions total. That goes into the assignment folder. And then the virtual field experience discussion board post, pick one of those and copy and paste it over into the discussion board for your peers to read and respond to. And then last but not least, make sure that you sign up for a virtual meeting time with me via Google Hangout but you're going to sign up using Sign Up Genius, and I will send you a verification email back inviting you to come talk to me in your Google Calendar. For week 7, we're going to start discussing the 3 domains of adolescent development. And next week, you will also be meeting with me virtually. So some of you will meet with me next week. Some of you will meet with me a little bit into week 8. But your developmentally appropriate practice is due week 8. It's due on a Saturday at 11:59 p.m. So make sure that you're looking ahead so that you can plan accordingly to meet with me and to get your project done. So going into Blackboard, just to kind of remind you of some of the things you need to do. For your virtual field experience, you just click on there to respond to your peers and then click to get into the discussion board. There's no post in here right now, so all you have to do is hit reply like you have been doing before. And then also here are your chapter folders for the week. So the PowerPoint and the quizzes are in these folders for you to do. And then your virtual field experience is one of the last things you are to do. So the Cliff Notes are here just in case you need them. You have the example of the typed questions that I had for you. And I'll also put the video in there when I get done recording. And then you have your virtual field experience folder here where you put all 3 videos in one Word document file. So you're going to be looking at 3 videos. One of them is exploring bullying, read, analyze, and act, arts integration, the elements of dance, and working as a team. So you have your 5 questions that you can copy and paste into your Word document. Make sure you have titles for your video so I know which video you are answering. And then last but not least, you copy and paste one of those into the discussion board post for us to respond to in week 7. And then the very last thing you had in your week 6 folder was just a reminder that you can't click on this or anything. It's just a little note in there to remind you to see the email from Sign Up Genius to sign up for a time to meet with me virtually about your developmentally appropriate future career presentation. So if you have any questions, please email me, or if you want to throw a theorist by me to see if I believe that theorist is prevalent, or if you have a question about a certain theorist, please let me know. And if there's anything I can help you with, please email me.